The best places to make a website in 2019. What's up, guys? It's Derek back from Archus Productions. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about the three best places I believe there is to make a website right now. The three, there's two different kinds of websites you can make. There's one where you host it, and WordPress. WordPress is the number one for you're gonna do most of the building yourself, and you're gonna have to actually host it, buy the domain, get everything started, and build it yourself. And then everybody's heard of Wix, where they host it for you. It's just a done for you template, fill out the template, build it yourself kind of thing. And that's the same with this Hanley one. Hanley and Wix are kind of the same, just different templates and prices and such. We're going to talk first with Bluehost. Bluehost is a hosting company with the best prices you can find for starting a website right now. You get a free domain for the first year, SSL certificate that just shows that your website is safe and secure. WordPress install for you, 24/7 support for $295 a month. That is a steal. And then you get a 30-day money back guarantee. They have 2 million websites hosted. You have everything you would want in a hosting company for so cheap. You get VPN, dedicated hosting, and then you get the WordPress hosting, which this is what you would do. This is how you build your website, is with WordPress. And then domains, you can buy your domain on here, or you can, if you already have a domain, you can transfer it onto your Bluehost and then start working with your WordPress. But you can buy domains on here, and it'll be already on your hosting for you right there. So this is the number one hosting. This is more if you know more about technology and websites and stuff. It's a little harder than the two other ones, but it does give you more flexibility with hosting and stuff, and it is way cheaper. And then the next two are Hanley and Wix. Wix is the one everybody knows. This is the biggest website builder. Hanley is a fairly new one. I made a video about it a while ago. It is just like Wix, the drag and drop builder, super easy. With this one, does come with a 14-day free trial, but it is just these two are for the person just getting into building websites. They don't know how to do all the fancy stuff. They just want to drag and drop, customize it, super easy, and most of it's done for them with all the templates you can choose from. You got the templates on here. If you go over, they both have different ones to choose from. You can just look and see which one you like best. Same with Wix. It's just a drag and drop, just the easiest thing you can know. Anybody can do this. Let's check out on Hanley. If you go to the pricing for here, you get a 14-day free trial with no credit card needed to start the trial, and it is super easy. You could make a website way before your 14-day free trial is over. Takes less than a couple hours, if that, if you're fast at it. So there's just $24.99 a month, $44 for business, and growth is like you're going all out. Personal, up to 20 pages, and then these two are unlimited. if you go to Wix, get started. Check out their plans. So on Wix, their plans for a website $29, $24 over here. And then they have a Pro, Unlimited, and Combo. These are you get a free domain for a year on here. You get a site booster. You get Wix is probably the number one, but I've been trying out Hanley, and I like their templates I like their drag and drop builder on here more than I do on Wix. But it is just personal preference and just how much you're gonna want to start. But so these are the number ones I say for making websites. There is lots of them out there. There's so many different hosting companies. Like, everybody knows what GoDaddy is. That's another hosting one. But they charge a lot more than just $3 a month. And so I just want to make a quick video showing off some ways to make a website super easily and cheap in 2019. And if you want to check out my other video I just posted, there's affiliate marketing in 2019 that shows ClickFunnels off. ClickFunnels is also another super one. That's more of a landing page and funnels where you're just gonna get emails and go on. But these are for more websites. So, and if you want to check out any of these three, I'll make sure to put links below for all three of them so you can go get started and start making your website right now. All right, peace.